Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do a hard reset on all iPhone 13 devices, including the standard model, the Pros, and all the Pro Maxes. So this will help remove kind of any temporary software issues you may be encountering, so sound, Wi-Fi, apps, whatever it might be. This is most likely the first thing that you should try when trying to remove any of these temporary issues. And with this hard reset, you also will not lose any information. So all of your apps, contacts, photos, they will all still be saved to your iPhone. This is just like doing a quick reset, but everything will still be as it was. Now, if you want to do this, all you have to do is first click on the volume up, volume down, and then press and hold onto the volume button. So I'll go and do that now. So I'll do a quick up, down, and then I'm going to press and hold onto the power button. And I'm not clicking any other buttons on the phone. So I'm just going to keep pressing and hold until the iPhone goes black. And I'm going to continue to press and hold until I see an Apple logo come up on the phone there. So now I can release, and now the iPhone will go and kind of continue the reset process. So this does take around 20 to 30 seconds, and this will hopefully remove any temporary kind of glitches that you may be encountering. And for myself personally, if I ever encounter any issues whatsoever, this is always the first thing that I try. So now, as you can see, everything was as it was. All my kind of information is still there, but this will now go and remove any temporary issues that I may be encountering on all iPhone 13 devices. So there you have it, guys. Really quick and simple way on how to do a hard reset on iPhone 13s. So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.